Well, hello. Wait a minute. All right. Need to check if everything works. A minute. Sound is not that good. Sound is not that good. Sound. It's okay. All right. For this first stream, so just be patient with me, guys. Let me open Twitch as well. Oh shit! I didn't even download. Wait. 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 Everything looks good to me. All right, stream is running. YouTube. All right, all right, all right. I think it's should be good right now. Okay, obvious. I just need to test the chat, and it is coming in obvious. Nice, nice. All right. All right. Everything looks good. Okay, I have not added any new overlays or anything like that. So let's just say we are going to just start fresh on the overlays. Need to rework my Twitch alerts is not even on, so don't bother with that. All right, so today, oh wait, did I even download Godot? Yeah, I have Godot. Okay, Godot is installed. So today what we're gonna do is planning out my first game, by the way, and let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna plan make this in Blender and Godot. It was my first day. Day one. So wait, hold on. Yeah, I did title update to day one. My stream should say day one. All right. Today's day one, and I am trying to plot out the game. So the game concept is gonna be a sim game, which I want to add 3D aspect as well. Like the game has to be in 3D because I know Blender. I used Blender for years. So I want the game to be 3D. I'll make assets in Blender and it should be a smooth ride from there. All right, so let me just give me 1 sec. I don't have a thumbnail yet for my YouTube. I was like, let's just do it. Like, no, don't worry about the thumbnail or anything. Let's just go for my first live stream and just do it. And later on, I can cut bits and pieces of this and just put it in one single video. You know, the game dev logs or something like that. Okay. I think people have not received notification. I'm not sure how the notification for the live stream goes, but let me check my own phone if it's going. Yeah, it does go. All right, no problem. Oh, all right, it does say 3 watching. Good shit. All right. So hold on, give me 1 sec. All right. Hey, Balaji Radhakrishnan, how are you doing? Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing great. All right, there we go. Our first chatter is here. All right, so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna do some layouting in Godot. We're not gonna use Blender today, so we're gonna do some Godot stuff. So give me one sec. So let me open Godot. I don't know where I installed it, but Godot. Yeah, there you go. So we're gonna open Godot, close Blender for a while. No, always using Blender. So we're gonna make a new folder. Let's say sim game. I have not named the game. I have the idea. I have not named the game or anything. I'm just gonna save it in my let's say documents sim game folder. That should be good. Forward plus render engine. That should be fine. And create. Right, there we go. This is what I was waiting for. I wanted to make this for a long time, and finally I just started the project. All right, so now we just need to plot out the game, basic camera movement for your character. So my game is gonna be ARPG type, so it has to be top view. Like camera is like from the top in a slightly angled. What do you call it? Not angled. Orthographic kind of view. Oh, not orthographic. Wait, what does it mean? Isometric. Sorry, isometric kind of view, but not actually isometric. Top-down camera. Yeah, yes, top-down camera, but not like more like ARPGs, like Path of Exile or Diablo games, Diablo Immortal or something like that. Hey, and welcome, Sulaiman Abdullah. How you doing? All right, so I just need to plot out a few things. So it's gonna be a blacksmithing simulator game in 3D, of course. So I have plot out few mechanics and few things. So main core of the game is gonna be crafting gear. Like for example, let's say Monster Hunter World. No, you basically hunt monsters to craft more upgradable gear. So let's say Monster Hunter World, and let's say we have combat as well, some hunting gathering stuff for collecting resources and all those things. So that is, you're doing great. Fantastic. So we have do you use Blender and Godot as well, Suleiman and Balaji? All right. So wait, I'm thinking really quick. So we have the hunting gathering mechanic, we have the crafting mechanic, which is the core of the game, and we have raiding. We have raids. Oh, you're using Unity. Oh, nice. I'm not that well versed in Unity. I used to use Unreal Engine for rendering and stuff, but not for game dev. This is basically my first game dev project. I know coding. I do coding, Python, JavaScript, and all those shenanigans. But this will be my first time using GDScript and using Godot. So it'll be a learning / development process. It might take a year or two, I don't know, to complete the project. This is day one. So let's see how it goes. And yeah, so first things first, we're gonna start with the 3D scene, right? Yep, not 3D. All right. So we need to wait, not 3D, I guess. I need to add node 3D. Okay, I know a few things. I have watched a lot of fucking tutorials, so I know a lot of things, but okay, I won't figure out these things by myself and code by myself without, like, only off stream I will sit and learn. Otherwise I'll just watch, do it myself. So there is a node for plotting out things, which is called blah blah blah. Wait, Not grid map. Not XR. Wait, where did it go? It should be somewhere here. I forgot the name actually. Node 3D. Okay. Visual instance. There's a small some icon on it. Hold on. If I'm not able to find it, I'll just use basic mesh. All right, let's start with the node 3D. We need a node 3D. So let's make our character scene first, I guess. Basic movement of a character. So this is the main world. Main world is gonna be the hometown town system. We'll build a town system for the main hub, I guess. So the character needs to be a separate file. So we'll just start with the character body 3D. All right, there we go. We have a character body 3D. Now that needs basically a collision shape 3D and a collision polygon 3D. So let's add those. A collision shape 3D, right? Collision shape 3D. All right, we added a collision shape 3D. We're gonna use a capsule for now, I guess. No, wait, hold on. Why is it looking like that? Clearly. All right. I think I'll add a mesh instance 3D. Oh, yes. A mesh instance 3D into this and make it a capsule. Oh, capsule mesh. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now we have our character body and the size needs to be adjusted, I guess. 2 meters. 2 meters is good for a character, I guess. All right, now we need collision. Collision shape 3D. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. The mesh should come here, right? This is a collision. What is this missing? The shape must be provided for the collision shape. Okay, got it. So here you go, capsule. Now it's sorted. Now we have our mesh and the collision for the character. That's sorted. All right. Now we need to figure out our camera angle. Let's say like 45 degrees on Z and X axis. No, sorry. What angle will be this be? What I'm looking at right now. We need to add the camera like this, somewhere around here. So the character is like small. So it has to be somewhere exactly like this. So I think it's 45 and 45 degrees. The camera has to be rotated and moved up. All right, so let's add another 3D, not 3D on this, just to group things together. All right, there we go. Now we need I'm thinking. Use Unreal Engine? Oh, you use Unreal Engine. Okay, Vishwas. Yeah, Unreal Engine is great. I mean, I don't want a really realistic looking game. That's why I'm using Godot. Godot is good for like indie games and stuff. Unreal you use when you want something to look ultra realistic, but you can make things non-realistic as well. But it's a game. It's a challenge. The shaders and all those things. But I feel like Godot has the best, like less complex for stylized indie games. Unity also has the same thing. You can make stylized indie games in Unity. Godot also has that thing, and GDScript is kind of easy. If you know GDScript, it's kind of easy. Like I know Python, so it's similar to Python, so I can figure it out. This is my first time doing it, so I'll figure it out slowly. Have you made something in Unreal Engine, by the way, Vishwas? You can post it links if you want. If you have made something, you can show. I'll check it out. All right, we'll add a node 3D and the camera angle. So first, okay, let's add a camera. Let's add a camera 3D and let's add another node 3D, which we'll rename to camera handle. Okay, that should be nice. Then just move that instead of the camera. Okay, so let's just move that up. Transform. Okay, so 8 meters. Let's do 10 meters on the X, 10 meters on the Z. Then 10 meters on the Y. That should be nice. Let's see camera, right? Up. Where's the camera? Hello, Rise by. What's up? How you doing? Focus, origin, focus selection. Where is oh, this one? Where is my camera view? Wait, hold on. I need to active camera, make this active camera, right? You're doing good. Fantastic. Oh, current camera. There we go. We made that the current camera. View. No, not view. Here, preview. There we go. All right. Now we preview the camera. Now we need to control the handle here, and let's just change the rotation down. There we go. Let's just look at that way. 45 minus 45 degrees, and this should be 45 degrees. And oh wait, Z shouldn't touch. Okay, now I want to say disable preview. So where is it looking right now? It's looking straight onto my character, which is what I want. But I guess it's little bit too much. Wait, hold on. Preview. No. On the X, no. Let's do minus 30 on the X. Minus 45? Why minus 45 is... No, minus 45 is getting too much not in the center kind of feeling. Maybe it's because of the location. Bird's eye view? Not bird's eye view, more like ARPG style. Maybe 10 meters is too much. 10 meters is fine, I guess. Maybe 8 meters on X and Y. Oh, that should fix it. Okay. More like a ARPG type, like Diablo Immortal kind of feel. So it's like a kind of a isometric game, but 3D perspective isometric. If you know, have you played Path of Exile, Resby? Have you played Diablo Immortal, or have you played Hades, or have you played similar games? Well, not Bird's Eye. Bird's Eye is like from top, you know. It's not bird's eye exactly. All right, so we have the camera set up. It looks okay. Okay, so we have our character. Now I'm going to save this shit called character save. Okay, now we bring our character to the node 3D. Now we have the character in the world, and it is looking okay. Now let's add a floor and let's see how it goes. Okay, now let's bring it a little bit up. Why is the Z-axis? Why is the Z-axis going that way? Oh, okay, wait, hold on. There you go. There you go. Okay, now it's a little bit above the floor, which is nice. I will add sun scene and environment scene for now, just to be okay. Okay, it's fine. Can you make combat system in Godot? Yes, yes, of course. That's the goal. We are doing combat system. We are doing shop inventory system. We are doing day-night cycle. We are doing. My game is ambitious. It's my first game project, but it's ambitious. It might take a year or two, but let it take a year or two. But I'm gonna make sure this is gonna be completed. I have a bad history with game projects. I started one in 2016 with two of my friends. I was the 3D and the coding guy, and the other guy was like the Unreal Engine 4 guy. And we had and one person for developing all the systems. It was more like a, what do you call it? Metal Gear Solid, Splinter Cell kind of stealth game. And it was named also. We had a cool name called Phantom and all those things. It was 2016 when I was in college. 2016, we had this crazy idea. We started the project. It went for a few months. Then suddenly, this guy just dipped out, and he was like, "Nah, I'm not gonna do it. Fuck it." And we just left unmotivated and just left the project completely. After that, during COVID 2020, I've sat on another project called Demons of Eternia. That was like a 2D side scroller game, and shit happened. During COVID, shit happens. And that also got dropped. Now this is third time's the charm. This time I'm gonna make sure this is completed, because I am in Unreal Engine. Oh, you're doing the combat system in Unreal Engine. When I search bird's eye view, it gives similar to this camera position, so thought it's bird's eye view. I mean, not exactly. It's more like isometric view, you say? Isometric. All right, so I added the directional light and world environment. That should be fine. All right, let's add a platform and see if the character runs. Okay, let's, in the Node 3D, let's add mesh instance 3D, make it into a cube. Blah blah. Where's Max cube? Let's go to the transform. Oh no, wait, scale. There we go. Let's make it 20 by 20. Oh, not on the y-axis. 0.5. Oh, it's linked. Oh shit. Okay, 20 by 20. There we go. That's good for testing it out. Now we need to give it a collision. So let's add a collision map shape 3D. Oh wait, what happened here? Collision shape 3D only serves to provide a collision shape to a collision object 3D. Oh, it has to be a collision object, not mesh instance. Sorry, my bad. So collision shape 3D. All right. The collision shape 3D requires a mesh instance 3D. Then that mesh is gonna be a box. Blah, blah. Let's transform this 0.5, 20 and 20. Oh shit, what? 20.5. Let's move it down just below the horizon. All right, now this one needs a collision shape. Collision shape box. Wait, why are you still showing? Please use it as a child of area 3D rigid. Ah, fuck. Okay. No, wrong. Rigid body 3D. Am I sure? Wait, are you sure? Wait. Rigid body 3D, character body 3D, static body 3D. Oh, I need a static body. Sorry, not rigid body. So let's do a static body 3D. Oh, that's for the floor, of course. We put that collision shape in here. Oh, there we go. We fixed it. Oh, and the mesh and collision shape. Okay. So the static body 3D is gonna be this mesh. Okay. Then that mesh needs a collision shape, which is gonna be a box shape with the same. Let's do 20.5. Oh shit, it's linked. 20, 20. All right, so we have the same shape. Oh fuck. Let's just put it like this. No, it's not working. Hey, Memos, what's up? What's up? It's not switch. I think I moved this. I think I moved this a bit. Okay, there we go. So this has to get resetted. Okay, now if I move, wait, why is this error coming? Please use it as a child. Okay, so I cannot use it as a child for mesh instance. What did I do here though? Oh, it doesn't work like that. Oh, okay. So I had to make this static body 3D. What is this now? A non-uniformly scaled collision shape 3D node will properly not function as expected. Please make it scale uniform. That is the same on all axes. Change the size of its. You know what? Wait. Why is it showing this? I love creating both realistic and stylized games. I'm at the very beginning stage of learning game designing. I'm just confused to start from which software. That is the first step you need to do, Balaji. It's you have to choose which software. Unity is there, Unreal is there, Godot is there. Godot is free, by the way. Godot is like completely free, like just like Blender. Godot is there, and maybe you are a pro level game designer, I guess. No, wait, who? Balaji or me? Me? No. I'm a 3D designer. I know 3D. I do crazy stuff in Blender, but not. This is my first time opening game development, game designing. I mean, game development. Design, yeah, of course, design I do, but not developing, coding. No, zero. Collision shape node will probably not function as expected. Why? Wait, so 20, 0.5, 20. Why are you showing error, mister? I need it to match this, right? How am I oh, wait, maybe. Oh, okay. So you reset it. Now, you make it 0.5 on each, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Okay, now the error is gone. Now you take this thing and snap it. There we go. That's how it's done. Okay, now it's snapped to the thing and there is no error. There we go. That's how you do it. Hey, what's up? That's finally putting that animation degree to use. Hey, let's go. Wave, what's up, man? How you doing? By the way, I'm streaming on Twitch and YouTube as well. So, Wave, if you want to just give me a quick sub on YouTube, you know where to find me. Been catching your streams lately, really fun stuff. Blah blah blah. Just no, I'm not gonna talk to you, Eric Weiss. We're just gonna ban you instead. Hey, Viv, oh, you're not mod anymore. Sorry, my bad. I'll ban him later. Oh, I can just type ban Eric. Oh, at Eric Weiss. There we go. Bye bye. That friend told me to try making games. I want to make a symbol game also. I don't know anything about making games. So should I go Unity or Godot? If you don't know anything about making games, use the node system in Unreal because you don't need coding knowledge either. If you want to make something really from scratch, use Unreal and it has a node system because you can drag and drop. Node system is easier to learn than coding if you don't know coding at all. Yeah, Unreal. Yes, exactly. Hey, Viv. Welcome to YouTube. All right, so now let's run the game and see. I need to save my main scene. So I'm just going to name it main for now. All right, let's just play. Select current. No, wait. Ah, shit. What do I do? Oh, wait, I don't need to play that. Okay, let's play. My character doesn't move at all. Okay. I think the default coding. Oh, I need to make a script. All right, we made a script. Our first script, character.gd. There we go. Oh shit. No, wait, hold on. We need to delete that. Delete, remove. We need to make a new script. Oop, don't save. Oh shit, what did I do? Okay, there we go. I don't know what I'm doing. Wait, close this. Oh no, it's not how you close that. Oh, 3D view. There we go. Blueprint. Yes, it's called Blueprint. Not the node system is called Blueprint. Exactly. You should try outsourcing it. According to my predictions, 88% of all the world work would be done by Mkibobe from Burundi by 2053. What the fuck is that? I'm CS diploma student, computer science diploma student. So I know basics of C, Java, Python. Oh, if you know Python, I was telling you, if you know Python, GD script, which Godot use, is so very similar. So you can basically watch some tutorials on GD script and start the game in GD script. I mean Godot basically. And Godot is very simple. It's like very easy. Everything is handled by nodes, and 2D is also easy to make in this, and 3D is also easy to make. Okay, let's see. Preview. I don't want to preview. Okay, that's my character. Now I need to make a script on the character. Let's make GD script, built-in script. There we go. We're gonna make a built-in script, and click on create. What? It's not coming. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Where did I save the script? It didn't. It's not saved yet. Okay, it's not saved yet. No, 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 no. I messed up. I messed up. I need to delete. How do I delete this file? Shit. Edit. Character body. Okay, let's make a new script. Let's just make a new script. Just no. Okay, wait. Hold on. Okay, the script is dead. Okay, just detach the script from the selected node. Okay, there we go. It's gone. Okay, we make a new script for character body 3D template. There we go. Template. Not built-in script. We need to use templates. Americans outsource it to Asia. Asia outsource to Africa. Turn outsource it to Burundi. Well, Burundi is in Africa, but the Africans outsource to Burundi. I see. I've never heard of that country, dude. With man's. All right. Okay, there we go. Character body 3D basic movement. That's what we need. And we're gonna make this GD script character.gd. Okay, there we go. We got the shit working. Now let's save it. All right. What is this? Okay, I just need to close that. No, it's not saved. Okay. Just go back to 3D, go to main, and let's run this. And my character still. Oh, yeah, there we go. Hey, your character is moving. But is this a camera focal length I need? It kind of looks weird. It doesn't look, and the character doesn't move in the proper axis. Okay, so I need to rotate the character 45 degrees, kind of. Then the character will move properly. Let's try that. Okay, so if I go to character, the character mesh 3D, and rotate the guy on what is it? Transform. Unreal may be very heavy for my system. Doesn't have a GPU level. Oh my god, bro! If you don't, wait. I have another game engine for you. If you want to make small 2D type of games, there is a game engine called. There's a game engine called BuildBox. Have you heard about BuildBox? BuildBox. This is BuildBox. It is very easy to use blueprint-based game engine. And BuildBox 4, BuildBox 3. and they can do shit like this without any much GPU stuff. My iGPU can handle performance up to GTX 1650. Oh, then BuildBox will be great for you, man. I mean, I don't know if it's still paid or free. Try Classic Media. I mean, it's paid. It's $15 per month. I'm not sure if everyone's ready to pay that much, but it's a good engine for mobile games. If you want to start, if you want to try your first game, I make a more simple mobile game like this. See whatever you're seeing on screen. You can start using BuildBox. BuildBox is so simple, very simple, super easy. You can instantly make Android and Apple files, Apple package easily. Maybe Godot will be my choice. All right. I mean, Godot is great. Godot is fantastic. You use Unreal Engine 4. He doesn't have a GPU. The game will just die. All right, let's just continue. So if I move my character, if I rotate my character 45 degrees, let's say rotation on the y-axis 45 degrees. Okay, now if I save and go to main and play again, now still not moving in the right direction. Okay, so it's not the problem with the character's rotation. So let's reset that back to 0. Save. Oh wait, I didn't save it. That's why. 45. Save. Main. Play. No, still not working. So let's reset that. Save. Main. Wine boom while reading no GPU. All right. Okay. So let's get our character's movement correct. All right. So if my camera is looking like this, my character needs to move this way. So if I go back to my character and the script, here's this velocity x move towards velocity x 0. Wait, hold on. Let me understand this code real quick. So we have a speed set to 5, which is kind of really slow, I feel like. So let's bump it to 8. Jump velocity, we are not jumping in the game. We might jump. I mean, let's just keep. Maybe instead of jump, we'll do dodge roll or something like that. Let's figure that out later. Okay, functions physics process delta float void. Okay, physics process delta means it runs every 60 frames per second. How much frame your game is running on, it runs every single second. If not, is on floor. I mean, if you're in air, velocity get gravity times delta. That means your character just falls on the floor, adds the gravity. Yeah, exactly. Handle jump if input is action press space. UI accept is basically space, so we need to give different button in settings, in the project settings. Hey Kai, what's up? How are you doing? Hope you're doing great. All right, so get the input direction and handle the moment deceleration. As a good practice, you should replace UI actions with custom gameplay actions. All right, variable input direction, input get vector, UI left, input get vector, UI left, right, up, down. Okay, understood. Variable direction, transform spaces vector 3, input direction x equal to 0, and input direction y. So vector 3 works how? How does vector 3 works? Vector 3 works 0, 0, 0. So it needs a x float, y float, z float. Okay, it needs 3 values basically. All right. So input direction x, input direction dot x. Okay, so That is variable. That is normalized. Okay, good. Fine, dude. What about you? I'm doing great. I'm doing great. Just had a cold over the weekend, last weekend. Everything is good now. Doing great. How is your streams, Sky? Have you gotten monetized on Twitch yet, or still waiting for some shenanigans? So velocity x equal to direction x speed, but also needs velocity x dot x. Oh wait, spelling is wrong. Velocity dot x equals direction dot z x speed. I'm not sure. X speed. Does this break the game? And oh no, wait. Wait, let's see. I'm not sure. All right, main play. Okay. Okay, left and right is not working. That means X is not working. So X and Z is getting fucked together. All right. I've been busy with school, man. All right, understood. Sorry, don't mind my language. Let's do X direction Z speed. No, that's not how it works. Velocity X is, what is velocity X? Velocity is a predefined stuff. So velocity X equal to direction dot X into speed. But I need 45 degrees change. Else velocity X move toward velocity X. Move toward velocity x 0 speed. Move toward. What is move towards? Move towards. Moves from toward to by the delta amount will not go past 2. Okay. Okay, so velocity x move toward. I need to fix this, no? Oh my god, this is gonna break my brain. Or I can do another thing. What if I make the entire world in 45 degrees? That means I don't have to fix my static body 3D. If I just transform this, rotate it by 45 degrees on the x-axis, then if I save and play, oh, what the fuck? Hey, what the fuck? Now why are you going sideways? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. What is happening now? Why are you going that way? Camera is still 45 degrees. Oh. Wait. Hold on. Oh, thank you so much. I would I should not change the camera axis. Oh wait, not 3D. No, wait, camera handle. I should not change the position on the x-axis and the x rotation. No, not x rotation. Which rotation is that? Y rotation? Y rotation. Hold on. Okay, now if I save, if I go to main, if I play, there you go. Thank you so much. I would have spent days trying to figure it out. Agam Gamer, welcome. Hello. How are you doing? Right. So we have a character movement. We can kind of jump. The gravity is too low. Kind of jump. Right now, I don't want this camera angle, by the way. That's the thing. But now, if I rotate my main world 45 degrees on the y-axis, okay, now if I play, yeah, this is basically what I want. But now what happens is entire world I need to make it in 45 degrees. My brain just told me, wasn't it 45 degree? Now the character is moving properly. Now the thing is, now I have to make the entire world 45 degrees rotated to get this feeling of top down perspective isometric view. If I don't need that, wait, why do I need that? I don't need that actually. Wait, hold on. I'm thinking. I mean, once the world is built, it won't matter that much, yeah. I guess it would be okay. All right, so character is kind of moving, which is nice. What's next? All right, so we got our. No, this is not the basic character movement we need. Making the player move at an angle. Yes, that's what I want. Which game dev engine is this? This is Godot. Godot. This is Godot engine, and recent version is 4.4.1, and it's free. It's basically free. While camera be at 45 degree. Yeah, no, wait. Camera doesn't have to be 40. Wait. See, both works. This also works. This actually works. Actually, when I'm building the scene, I just have to make sure. Everything is built. The world is built isometrically, like in a isometric view, basically 45 degrees. The character is fine. I mean, it just has to move to WSD, which it is doing right now. But I still need to rewrite few code so the character is little bit smoother and stuff. Like I need to add a lerp command on the camera handle so it is smooth while moving around. Oh, and also the camera has to wait. Camera is already. Is the camera? Wait, wrong scene. Is the camera moving around? Oh yeah, the camera is moving around my character, which is okay. I want it to be smooth, like the camera has to follow later on. That's a method called lerp something in Godot, so I need to figure that out. So let's just say after this code, we need to go to character back. We need to take this camera. Wait, this is camera target. There is renaming few things. Okay, this is character mesh, no space. This is character. No, that is collision, right? This is collision. This is character collision. Is that the collision? No, that's not the collision. Sorry, my bad. That is the mesh. This is character collision. So character collision. All right. Camera target, camera handle, camera 3D. Wait. Get gravity. Get gravity is using the function from the project settings. Project settings. Where is gravity? It should be in physics. No. 3D gravity. This is the gravity value. This is where the gravity, that is the default gravity, 9.8 meters per second square. As a gravity vector. If you're gonna make some stylized game, you can increase the Z gravity instead of the Y gravity. Or maybe it's anti-gravity, you just make it 1, no? It become anti-gravity. It'll just keep floating upwards instead. Things you can do, silly things you can do. This is the default value. You can increase it if you want, decrease it, increase it, whatever you do want. And if you want some insane settings, you can do that as well. But don't want to go to advanced settings yet. Not going to do that yet. All right, so that's where the gravity they're fetching from. Now let's do, he's on floor, his action just pressed, and he's on floor. Then the character jumps. Velocity y, jump velocity. Jump velocity is 4.5. So y increases by 4.5. Did bro save the gravity on negative? It has to be negative. It is going down. The down is negative value, Rice. The up value is positive. So if I see, I'll show you right now. Wait, hold on. If you don't believe me. So if I go to project settings, if I make this 1, okay, now I save the file and play. My character is gonna go up. See? It's gonna go up. I can fly now. So -1 is going down. Gravity is always work in reverse, right? Now if I jump, it just pushes me back down. No? Just pushes me back down. The gravity only works when you jump. And if you want to make some crazy games like flipping gravity and stuff, this will work. You know, you can just get the setting, you can just velocity plus equal to, instead of plus equal to, you can do velocity equal to, get gravity minus into -1, something like that. Interesting. Yeah, when you get into things, it's gonna be very, very complicated. All right, so now what I want is to move the camera, which is the camera target, little bit offset of the camera 3D. That's what I want to do. So what I'm going to add for this, $sign camera targets, okay, $sign camera target uses, it's used to get the different node from the same parent. I can tell you with my experience, flipped sideways gravity messes with your brain way too much. What experiences did you have? Camera target equals, no, wait, dot, wait, camera target dot position dot, position dot, oh yeah, position equals, doesn't equal work except an expression after, okay, yeah, I'm waiting, I'll put the expression, give me 1 second. Equals equals, I'm thinking, motion sickness and only player gravity was affected. Wait, motion sickness and only player gravity was affected, so everything else still fell down while passing it to my friend. In a game or like VR or some shit? I've had motion sickness in VR, by the way. I would puke. So my company, which I work for, is experiential events company. So we bought these products from China with all these VR videos and stuff. So we had like 7 or 8 VR videos. Each video was 5 minutes. A normal person can only handle 1 video. I fucking sat and watched all 9 videos. I had to test it. I had to test it. Each video is 5 minutes. 9 videos, 5 into 9, 45 minutes. I sat and watched for 45 minutes and I came out fucking puking all over the place, man. Motion sickness is just a bitch. I mean, it was VR, like it VR paragliding kind of thing. So it's like you wear the VR, you sit in, you sit in a paragliding seat and the seat moves. So it goes up and down, and you're seeing things like, you know, going up and down and all those things. It was just stupid. Lerp. Can I just lerp? I can equal to lerp. It's gonna break the code. Alright, so how do what am I gonna do here? What do I do here? Someone made a Minecraft mod that changes player gravity, and I have my gravity towards south, and my friend was on east, and it was a skyblock world. So only a tree with some land. So the only thing you can stop you is a tree. Crazy, bro. All right. Okay, so we have our character, we have our mesh, we have a collision. Now we have the camera target, we have the camera. It's not should we call it the target? No, this is the target. Oh, my bad. Camera target. This is the controller, by the way. I need a controller. Oh wait, no spaces, by the way. Camera controller. Controller. Don't use any spaces. Okay. Yeah, pretty much playing it for 40 minutes gave both of us headaches as we can't understand what we'll do, what everything felt off. Okay, it was just a Minecraft mod, I guess. Then. But have you had motion sickness in VR? That shit's crazy, bro. Okay, so we need to fix few things. So we have gotten the gravity. That is all good. If it's on floor, where the gravity fucking works. Oh, you can use get gravity right away. Okay, that is fine. Get gravity is a good code. Then jump velocity is y. Everything looks all right. So let's add this thing, not here. Yeah. Let's add it after getting gravity. Oh yeah, wait, we don't need to jump for that. We'll add it here. Thanks to God, I don't have VR, or it will be worse. And now I won't distract you and let you focus on your work. Hey, no problem, man. This is like, man, this is how I need to work. I need to interact and work. Otherwise, I won't be able to work. It's completely fine. So we need to take the controller's position and change it to our position. Wait. Controller's position should be the position. So now if I save this and go to level 1 and play. Oh wait, something happened. The game crashed. Oh no, stop. Camera target position. Oh wait, camera target doesn't exist. Oh wait, camera target changed to. Oh, that doesn't exist. Camera controller. Okay, there we go. Camera controller position. equal to our position. So when we play now, wait, wrong scene. There you go. Oh, wait, the camera is moving too fast. Oh, I see. I see what's happening. Huh. What do you guys what do you guys think is happening? Wait. Camera controller position. Wait, go to 3D. Camera controller transform. So position is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Position is 0, 0, 0. Camera controller's position will be the new position of who? Well, something's wrong. Something's wrong. Or maybe because of the speed. Maybe it was 5 before, right? Maybe I changed the speed. So maybe because of the speed, the camera is going off. No, it's still going off. Still going off. Not because of the speed. This movement looks like Pokemon games when you're inside a room. It kind of. I don't know where I'm going wrong, but somewhere I'm going wrong. The camera is moving faster than the thing. So what if, wait, hold on. Why is this here? I don't need the float void delta. Let's just close the bracket here. All right, close the bracket here. Now let's see. It's still happening. Wait, undo that. Let's keep that exactly. Excuse me. Position is not changed on anything else. Oh, this thing is gonna take years, man, to finish if it goes this way. That's crazy. Maybe. Maybe that my camera is moving before my character is moving. So if I put it last, no, it's still the same. Did you add motion to the camera? I'm trying to. I wasn't looking while talking about gravity stuff. I'm trying to put the camera. I'm trying to do something, but it's not working. Okay, so let's ignore. Let's fix this. We'll add the lerp back again. No, lerp. We'll add it to the camera controller again. Dot position. Oh wait a minute. Why is there exclamation marks here? It should be like this, right? Okay, wait. Let's fix this. Position. Then lerp needs three things, right? So then we'll do the actual position, then a small value of how much the camera needs to be offset. Let's put 0.05. What if you make the camera slide off center in the direction of the movement and make it slide back into its old position after fix? That's what I'm trying to do. You got it. That's what I'm trying to do. All right, let's see this. Oh, see the slight movement. But the thing is, my camera is moving too much. See, it's slightly coming back into position, right? But now the thing is, my camera is moving too much. My camera is not supposed to move that much. See, the character is like in the corner right now. It should be in the center of the screen. Yeah, I don't know. I think something with the camera. Something with the character camera or the camera targets. Camera transform is 0, 0. Nothing has changed. I think something with the camera's position or something. Why is it 360 degree? Why is it 360 degree? Why? Excuse me. Why are you at 360 degrees? Minus 360 degrees, that too. It was like this. 0 degrees is okay. Okay. Oh, that is the camera. Sorry, camera target. This was like this. Ulta. Maybe that was the reason. Play. Oh shit, wrong scene. You slide it to minus 360 when you fixed it from photo. It was a mistake. No, the camera is still moving too much. It's somewhere in this. The problem is somewhere in this. Camera rotation 45 degrees downwards, right? On the x-axis. Okay, it's on the x-axis, which is okay. That is what I want. The camera has to look towards the character. And 10 meters away in the sky, 8 meters on the z. I'll increase that actually. I'll make it 15 meters. No, wait, 12 meters. Then change the perspective again. Minus 45. Minus 50. No, wait. Minus 40. There we go. This should be nice. But I'm still having that same problem. Can you lock how far it can move to after it slides off center? Wait, what? I didn't get you. Can you lock how far it can move to after it slides off center? It's going too far, see, even if in all 4 directions. Oh wait, I want to test something. So what I'm going to do is add another rigid body 3D into the scene. Wait, let's make another scene for blocks. Okay, let's make a rigid body 3D. Add a mesh instance on this. Mesh instance 3D. Make a cube. New box mesh. Add a collision shape 3D. And make a cube. Okay, now we have a cube. I mean, object to collide with. So let's save it as blocks. Okay, just for now. Go to main. Add the blocks to the scene. Put it somewhere here. Okay, let's save the scene. Play. Now I want to see if my camera is moving. Okay, the camera doesn't move if the character is not moving, which is good. Hey Shrimpy, what's up? So the camera is the controller, the WSD doesn't affect the camera. It's the character is affecting the camera somehow. It is moving too far off the screen. Hacking stream, let's go. Hey Musi, what's up, man? What's up? How you doing? So let the block be there. It'll be useful later on. So my main question is, what is happening with the character? The character. How you doing, Musi? How you doing, Shrimpy? It's been a while. It's been ages. So something happened somewhere where my character is moving. Camera controller position, lerp the camera control position back to its position with the offset of 0.05. Are you the guy who deletes the default block or starts with the default block? I'm the guy who deletes the default block. Poof. Was in Sweden for a day, now back home. Hey, let's go. Traveling, huh? Guys, check out the YouTube in the bio about section on Twitch. YouTube channel is there. BlendToPro. If you guys want, I'm multi-streaming on YouTube as well. So if you want to check it out or leave a sub, feel free. It's my Blender tutorial channel. If you guys didn't know, I started Blender tutorial channel about a month and a half ago. Been uploaded like 5-6 videos uploaded regarding 3D stuff. So I'm going to implement game development into the 3D as well. Even though I'm not that pro, I'm going to implement stuff into it. The things I learn, I'll make tutorials on that and put it out there, you know. So I'm going to mix Blender and Godot. Godot is a free game engine. Smart link straight up makes you sub. Hey, nice. I will learn Godot from you then. Hey, no problem. You know, come by and you can learn things from what I do. Like, I don't know shit, but when I try to figure it out, that's the best part. And figuring it out is the goal, no? A little bit of coding knowledge, a little bit of documentation, studying the documentation on Godot will get you there. But in the end, the code is going to be very, very strong. So how you basically work in Godot, if you're starting something in Godot, make everything into a different scene, a character into a different scene, a block into a different scene, an enemy into a different scene, a coin, if you're adding a coin stuff into a different scene, everything like silly, small stuff in a different scene. So when you need 2 characters in your main world, you can just drag that character and just add another character into the scene. You know, 2 characters. Wait a minute. What if I have 2 characters in the same world? Okay, I add another character. Okay, now I save, I play. Both the characters will move. But what is the active camera is on the second character. The first character doesn't have the active camera. So if it falls off, it's not following. If this falls off, oh, see, that's what's happening. It's like warping. The camera is like kind of warping. So I'm gonna undo that character. I don't need that character. I think the offset should be 0 because it's moving ahead, or make it negative offset. What, the camera? I want it like that. But the thing is, what's happening right now is, for example, wait, let's go to the code again. Let's just hash this out. Okay, so right now, oh, wrong scene. Right now, see, the camera is okay. The camera is not going extra or doing anything weird. But I want that smooth camera movement, you know, smooth camera movement. RIP character 2. Character 2 got deleted. I want that, oh yeah, I want cinematic movement. Yeah, I want that smooth camera movement. So I added this command called camera controller, which is my controller on the character. Its position. Lerping is a method that it basically smoothens out things. You need a logic to limit it. This is the logic basically. This is the logic. But when I added this logic, the camera controller's position, lerping camera controller's position to back to its position with the delay of 0.05 offset of 0.05. If I increase this, it's going to be crazy. If I increase this to, for example, 1, you'll see what happens. Now you see what happens. Wait, nothing is happening. Wait, hold on. What happened? Oh, I need to save this. Wait, what happened? It didn't work. 1 is not working, I guess. Let's put 0.1. I'm not sure what's happening here. It should work. It should work. Make it 0.01. 0.01. Okay, Musi, let's go. Let's see how if it works. Rip Peanut 2. No, see, the camera is still moving ahead. That's what's happening. Rip player. We'll add Peanut 2 later on. We'll add the Peanut 2 back. Okay, see. If I'm in the middle of the world, I'm fine. I'm exactly in the center. But the more I move towards the side, the camera is moving. Wait. Something's wrong with the camera controller. Something has gone wrong on the camera controller. Camera target, camera controller. That's what I said. You need to limit it so it doesn't go too ahead. LERP is for numbers, not vectors. It can work on vectors. Hello, Helif. Helifac. How you doing? I mean, these are numbers, right? Camera control's position is a number. The current position is also a number. And this is also a number. I mean, I don't know if it works like that, but my stomach says character motion plus camera motion. What's going on right now? Do you have any way to fix it, Halifax? And hi, welcome to the stream. I mean, I tried this before. I tried it in the test, and it worked. It worked smoothly. 0.05 was a good amount, and maybe I'm missing something. It's probably on the camera. Let's see. Wait. Maybe what if I reset the camera's position back to 0, 0. Camera target's position back to 0, 0, 0. And save and play. Oh, wrong scene. Play. Still going offset. Camera controller position, LERP position, cam speed. Oh, the second one is cam speed. Wait, camera controller position equal to camera controller position, LERP position, delta x5. What is the 5 value, by the way? What is the 5 value? So LERP. So you're saying this thing should come out here, and LERP is gonna be like this. Then position. What is the value of a speed factor? Okay, that's the speed factor. Okay. Doesn't the speed factor come second? Wait. Why is it multiply? Where's the third value? We need 3 values. There is position delta x 5.0. Okay, that I understand. There's one more value, right? Delta multiplied by 0.5. Only 2 values. Wait, not 0.5, 5, right? 5.0. 2 value function. Will it work? Let's see. Oh, stop that. Save. Doesn't work. Wait, hold on. Let me put the camera back to where it was on the target. X. Not on the X, on the Y, oh, on the Z. 12 meters on the Z, 8 meters on the Y. Okay. Still the same thing. It's still the same thing. The camera is moving faster than the character is moving. Something is wrong. Same thing is happening right now. I mean, what if I reduce the camera speed? I mean, camera speed, yeah. Let's make it 1. Oh, maybe that's the issue. Maybe the camera speed has to be same as the movements. No, still the same thing. Still something is wrong somewhere. Maybe I'll try to remake the character. The code I had was fine. It's doing the same thing basically. It's doing the exact same thing. Position, position point 0.05. It's doing the same thing, but this code also works, that code also works. It's not doing two different things. It's a parameter function, it's a multiplier, speed factor. I think the camera multiplies the values of each move. I don't know, 2-value function. See, there's no problem in here. The problem is somewhere in the character. Maybe the scale of the character. I messed up somewhere. Up direction Y. Everything is normal here. Everything is okay here. Character collision looks okay. A controller. Camera target is moved offset. Maybe this is -40. Let's just rotate it back to 0. Let's just scale, rotate and everything back to 0. Now, how is it looking? It's crashing. Wait. I've messed up here. Oh, not multiply. Unable to write. Oh, wait, what happened? Hit. What happened? The back. Twitch crashed. Oh, no problem. Unable to write to the file, documents in game main TSN file in use, locked or lacking permission. What the fuck? Oh, debug is on. Okay, no worries. Okay, it's not because of the angle. So let's put that back to -40. Scale is 111. Here, rotation order top level. Process. Camera. Oh, maybe. What if I detach the camera controller from the character body? No, then the $sign getting it will not work. I mainly work in Unity, so for constant speed I usually use move towards. Is there some kind of move toward method in Godot? There is move towards. But I'm still figuring out. This is my first game project. So I'm first time using Godot as well. So I'm still figuring out things. I used to do with Unreal Engine before with the blueprint method. That was much easier, but I want to see how I can get into Godot slowly. So while I know Python, but similar GDScript is similar to Python, but I'm figuring out things while I make the game. Do you know Harambo? Yes, I know Harambo. He's learning to. Hey, nice, that's good. Wait, hold up. Hmm. Also, is there a green screen? No, it's not. It's NVIDIA broadcast, and I'm using my phone as my camera, so it's like very crisp. 50 megapixel camera. Yeah, my Motorola camera. It's very crisp. That's what I use for my YouTube videos as well. Okay. I'm looking at some documentation real quick. I have to unlink. I have to unlink the camera controller from the character. That's what I have to do. That's it. This is a single button here. If true, the node will not inherit its transformations from its parent. Node transformations are only in global space. If I take this and save and now play. Oh wait, wrong scene. If I if I play now, there we go. Bro, I was looking for that for a. Oh my god. I figured it out. I figured it out. Ah, man, reading documentation is the painful part. You have to sit and read shit. Okay, there we go. We have fixed. We can jump. There we go. If the camera is smooth, it kind of switches back. Finally. Alright. Alright. Camera movement is sorted. Alright, so we have our movable character. Now let's just plot out where we need our town, how our town should look like. That should be our next step. Right, so that should be in the main 3D. Let's increase the size of our land, maybe 100 by 0.5, 100. Oh, that's 1000. 100 by 100. We have plenty of space to walk around. Let's make it a nice color. So in, I guess, mesh instance, if I click on this, I can go to material. And I'm gonna go to new standard material 3D and just click on this and get albedo and choose a random color. Let's not use that. Let's use a nice green. Oh, there we go. All right. It was great figuring out yourself. Ourselves, yeah. I had fun. It's crazy. All right, so we need to go add few rigid body 3Ds. No, wait. I'm gonna rename this to. Wait, what is this? What is this rigid body 3D? Oh, wait, that's a block. Why is it showing as rigid body 3D? It should show as block, right? Oh, it's named rigid body 3D here. Blocks. There you go. Save. Now if I delete that, add a block. Well, add a block. Should be block. Now I move it here. And move it up. Move the plane. Oh wait. Static body, I need to move to the line right here. Okay. So this one I can move down. Okay, so we're gonna add few more blocks. Some rigid body blocks, that's all. So if I duplicate this, it should be block 2. And I just move one there. If I duplicate this, it should be block 3. Let's add one there. And we'll add one more. Just in case. We'll add right there. Okay, we have 4 blocks. Now I'll just add another node 3D. Node 3D. And move these blocks into that. And rename this as block. There you go. All right. What do you think about Roblox game development? I'm not a fan of Roblox. I'm a Abid Ahmed. Roblox, not my type of dev. I see a lot of people making Roblox stuff, Roblox games and all those things. This mesh, this collision shape also needs to be increased. So let's increase that. Boop, 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 boop. I like to make things from scratch. And I don't like the Roblox characters. I know there are games which completely looks different, not like Roblox. I heard someone remade entire Call of Duty or something inside Roblox. It's crazy. But again, not a fan of the development process. I don't know how it works, first of all. I have no clue. All right, so let's just run this stage and see if everything is okay. All right, we have our smooth camera going on. Our character is moving in the right direction, which is good. But I want to use WASD instead of left, right, up and down. So that's what we're gonna fix next. So we'll fix WASD. So for that, we go to Project Settings, Input Map. Now here we need to add new maps. Add new action. Let's say move. Wait, let's put small letter. Move underscore up. Then add one called move underscore down. Let's add move. Oh, sorry. Move underscore left. And add move underscore right. Okay, so we have 4 directions. Let's add key map to it. So up is W, so we'll just press W. As Y is showing Windows. Oh, W, press OK. For down, we press S. Okay. For left is this side, right? Left is A, right? Oh yeah, left is A, and right is D. All right, so we have our movements input mapped. Now in the character movement settings, go minus A to forward, Z back, control and shift left and right. Dude, that's crazy. Okay, so here instead of UI left, UI right, UI up and down, we do move. Shit. What was the first one? Move left. Move right. Move up. Move up and move down. All right, there we go. We have fixed it to WSD. Now if I go to main and play, yep, we are moving on WASD now. Let's go. Where are you from? I'm from India. I am from India. Well, my jumping is kind of stupid. Okay. So WASD is fixed. Now what's next? From Delhi. Hey, nice. Where in India? I am in Bangalore right now. I'm from Kerala though. I'm in Bangalore. I work here as a creative manager. So no, it's struggle 9 to 5, 10 to 7, not 9 to 5. It's a 10 to 7 job, and only free time I get is at night. So at night I have to focus on my YouTube channel, my streaming, other shit, a lot of things, and also give attention to my pasandida aurat. Stream lagging. Let me see if from my side, not from my side. Maybe reduce the quality or adjust the. Wait, adjust the what? Or refresh the stream, maybe refresh the page. And if you have subbed while I am streaming, I'm sorry, I can't even know if you sub or not, or just come to Twitch, bro. I'm trying to get monetized here on YouTube, so please give me that watch hours, please. I mean, that is also an option. Go to Twitch. Subbed. All right, thank you, Abhi. Thank you so much for the follow. I mean, I don't get notification like Twitch, right? When Twitch someone follows, you get the notification. And yeah, I Rice, by the way, thank you so much for following on Twitch. Don't come to Twitch. We have ads here. Oh yeah, exactly. You have every 30 minutes you have to sit through ads. YouTube, no ads, easy peasy. I mean, YouTube doesn't have ads on live streams? Really, Musi? I didn't know that. Oh, hey, I had never seen. Yeah, man, it's true. I never seen ads on YouTube streams. You're streaming on two platforms same time? Yeah, on Twitch and YouTube. It has? Wait, it has? I'm just keeping them here. Oh, I have premium. I have YouTube premium. That's why there are no ads. I'm like, what? Why is it not coming for me? YouTube premium is the reason. Stupid. All right. Okay, so this is sorted. Let's save character main. Oh wait, 3D. All right. This is how my character is gonna face. But now, what I need to do is, I want one small thing to work. I want my character camera controller. Camera controller is right here now. I want it to the y-axis to be rotated 45 degrees. So I'm looking at like this. On a should I even do that? Is that even necessary? Is that even necessary? No, see, the character moves in awkward directions right now. So I don't think that is even necessary. I just have to make the world just rotate 45 degrees entirely. That should fix the problem, I guess. So if I just put that back to normal there. Wow, Twitch has ads every 30 seconds. No, not 30 seconds, 30 minutes. every 30 minutes. You can see that the streamer can adjust it accordingly. So usually people go for 3 minutes of ads every hour. That means 1.5 minute of ad every 30 minutes. Bro, suffering from success. Bro, YouTube Premium. Bro, I have YouTube Premium family. I share it with other 5 people. Me, my wife, my brother, me again. Is this Valorant old meme template? I don't know if you know. Wait, go menace. Wait. Valorant old meme template? Rotate camera, rotate the world. Exactly. So right now, I have my character there. The character will be there. No need to worry about. I can just select everything and just, except for my character, you can just select the node 3D. Oh wait, I'll put the character last. I'll add the character in the end. Wait, character doesn't have to be there. Oh wait, it has to be. Okay, static body 3D and the blocks. Right. I'll just select like this. Oh wait, the collision is not fixed. What did I see? Or what is that collision? What is this shape? Hello? What are you? There's block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4. What are you? Huh. Oh yeah, it's the bounding box. My bad. I was like, fuck. You're back, Rice. Welcome back, Rice. Thank you for following Twitch, by the way. Wait, you are married? I never know. No, bro, I'm not married yet. I'll be married in December. No, ring on the finger, but it's on the middle finger. ring on the finger. I'll be married in December, but I'm not saying it on stream. My parents might be watching, so. Congrats! Thank you so much. Clip it so we can play it. No clipping on YouTube. Wait, you're streaming on Twitch. Don't clip it, guys. Don't clip it. No. No clipping. Oh, Twitch. Wait, YouTube also has the clip feature now, right? I don't know exactly, but I think it does. Wait, does it have? Create highlight video. Oh yeah, there's a button called create highlight video. Crazy. There's a clip button on YouTube. Oh, I see. I think they added recently. That's crazy. All right. Does game development pay good? I am not developing for anyone else. I'm making something for my own, and I'm gonna upload it on Steam. I'm not upload. It's not a free service. I'm gonna put it on Steam, and if people want to buy, they can buy. And it's gonna take a while. Game development. If you work for a company, they're gonna pay you shit money, bro. They're gonna pay you shit money. Bro has a 3070. I do have a 3070. Bro, I have a full-time job. That's how I'm able to afford PC and 2 monitors and a good phone and this mic and the light. just flexing. My camera is frozen. Oh, there we go. Back. What's your full-time? I'm a creative manager at a experiential events company where I do 3D and I handle a team of 15 people. And I get paid enough. Enough. Your GPU is mentioned on the lower tab. Oh, yeah. Lower tab. Where? Oh, here. Oh, yeah, that is 70. Can you hire me? Thanks. Thanks for making this kind of learning videos after your busiest day. I'm learning myself, so thank you for joining. Okay, that's the most important part. I am gonna make continue gonna make Blender videos, but Godot I'm still learning. I can make crazy stuff in Blender, but Godot, it's my learning process. This is how I'm gonna learn while streaming, and you guys helping me and me figuring out things. That's gonna be the. But we're also gonna do streams, Blender streams as well, because we need assets. We need gaming assets. We're gonna make gaming assets in Blender. So characters, swords, armors, everything we're gonna make in Blender. I don't know what it's called, the console looking dock. Yeah, this one, the output. It's called the outputs. I saw it. I am moving to Bangalore soon, not even kidding. Hey, come, man. No worries. Best character is Peanut with a hat. Peanut with a hat? Wait, where's the hat? Who is Peanut? The sun is under. Is the player called Peanut now? We're calling Peanut. If making game for fun, why not try Roblox Studio? No worries about servers and uploading. I don't want to make an online game. It's going to be offline game. And it's a single player game. So why use Roblox Studio? And Roblox Studio is... I have no idea how Roblox Studio works. I have to start from scratch. Learning the things. He needs a hat. All right, let's make a hat. Let's make a hat. You know what? We are making a hat. We'll make a simple hat, okay? So in the character body, we'll add another mesh. Okay. Mesh. So add a mesh. But also, why I'm using Godot is I want to learn Godot, by the way. Roblox Studios uses LUA. He needs a hat. What LUA? Character mesh. Wait. Character mesh. I can't put to. Wait, I can. Okay. So this is going to be a cylinder. We're going to decrease the height on the y-axis. No, that's a position. Decrease the scale on the y-axis. Okay. I'm just going to put it right there. Yeah. Okay. Now we need to add another mesh instance. We're going to duplicate that. Duplicate. We're going to add another cylinder with increasing the scale, decreasing to 0.5 and 0.5. Just yep. Just nice little top hat. There you go. Oh, we need a little bit more depth. 0.7. No, 0.7 is too much. 0.6. 0.6. There you go. It's not in the center, huh? It is in the center, okay. We have a hat. LUA is a language used in Roblox Studio. Oh, I have no idea about LUA. Please don't add ads in your game, please. No. It's a PC game. No ads, 100%. Not a mobile game. It's a PC game. I will not add any ads or in-game purchases or anything. It's gonna be a $10 game. Maybe depends on how many hours of gameplay, game time is gonna be there. Depending on that, $5, $10, whatever. It'll be a one-time purchase, and that's it. Like no stupid ads, no in-game purchases, nothing. Simple shit. I'm gonna keep it simple. Now we have a hat. Oh, is that? Oh wait, does it fall off? No, it doesn't. Okay. Oh, wait, no, it doesn't. Okay, now we have a hat. It should be a little tilted. Okay, bro. Okay, dude. Okay, hold on. We're gonna put that mesh onto this mesh, so we can have control together. Then we're gonna rotate it. Oh, we're gonna rotate it like this. And put it right there. Okay. Oh, is it in the back? Oh, wait. Which is the front? Minus Z is front, right? Oh, wait. It's on a wrong direction, I guess. It's in the wrong direction. Damn it. Character 0 on that, and Y, no. On the Z axis, minus 15. There we go. And we need to put this back to 0. Point 1. There we go. Now happy? It should be a little tilted. Okay, 876 rupees for what? For what? What? Yeah, who wears a straight hat? I will use this as a starter character for my game. You know what? I will be. I don't know. I made a Patreon page where I will be posting codes and Blender assets and Godot projects which I'm working on and everything in there. I think it's like the $5 subscription, Patreon subscription, I guess. For that, I will be posting things. $10 is 876 rupees. But Steam does this automatic price adjustment, right? So even if you put $10 in US dollars, in India it'll become around $5.99, $4.99. It automatically regional pricing, exactly. It auto does the regional pricing. Right. Oh, why is my D not working? My D is not working. Oh, you know what? My D is not working because I am getting collided with my own hats. Since it's a wait a minute, character. It's maybe if I put that inside character. Wait, inside this mesh instance. No, wait. Character mesh. Physics. Physics. Character mesh. Okay, the hat. This goes inside this. Okay. Now if I play, maybe if I can go to the side. It's still not going. Did my button break? It's not moving. What if I delete the hat? No, wait. What I need is collision on the hat, right? Oh, maybe I should make it not collide with my hats. But it should not. It doesn't have any collision. It doesn't have. It's just a mesh. It's just a mesh. It shouldn't collide anything. Why is my D not working? Hold on. Move down, move up, move down, move right. Move right is there. Project settings, input map. Oh, my D disappeared. Move right, D disappeared. How? Wait, what happened there? How did it disappear? Alright, there we go. It should not collide with itself because it doesn't have any collision. It doesn't have any collision. That's why. Okay, now we have our character moving. So, God, let's mess with this guy. We have a character moving. We have a smooth camera going on. I don't want my character to jump, but I still don't like the camera angle. It has to be a little bit more to the up. Character, camera, target. Let's make it minus 45 again. Okay, then move the. Oh, that's wrong. That's wrong. Okay, 12 meter away. Why 12 meter away? 12 and 12. Save. Hmm. Too far, right? Is Zuck in your PC already? What was the game about? I forgot. Oh, yeah. The game, we are making a simulator. Uh, uh, a blacksmithing simulator, basically. So the main core of the game is crafting. We make different weapons and armors, and there is going to be hunting and gathering, like Monster Hunter World. We're going to hunt and gather stuff to build a new gear. We hunt legendary beasts. We gather legendary, and its entire art style is inspired by World of Warcraft art style, and the gameplay is gonna be not too combat based. If the combat is just for minimal stuff, the legendary hunts is gonna be accompanied by AI companions. That is one thing. Then we have a town system where periodically a seer tells you that a pack of wolf or something is going to attack your town. So you have to craft the necessary gear to equip your guards in the town, not a city or anything, just a small town, inspired by World of Warcraft, of course. If you add silk item, then add a spider called Little Spider, where it's actually huge. Hey, nice ideas, It's a huge spider. Go hunt mission log. Go hunt the little spider. And when you reach there, it's fucking huge, massive spider. You can't even see the spider in the camera. You will just see its limbs attacking you, and you have to kill each limb. And each limb is in different rooms. It's just a guy who makes jokes. Hey, it's a good joke though. It's a good idea though. All right. Okay. Now, imagine this is a town which we need to build. We need a bigger town. Well, this is too small. We will expand the town accordingly. But we need a shop which can sell our whatever like waste material we are making. I don't want to just build an item and just throw it, discard it. You can just at least put it on the shop and someone comes and buy it. Like trading card game simulator. Dave is cool. Hi, hello. How you doing? Welcome. So like the trading card simulator game is there. So similarly like that, you can put your crafted sword in the shop, so people can buy. NPCs can come and buy it. That's one thing. And you can assign, maybe hire a shop helper to automate that thing kind of later in the game or something like that. This town needs roads as it already has 4 buildings. Those are not buildings. Those are just blocks to test out the character collections. Yo, Arambo, what's up? How you doing? What's up? How you doing, man? It's great. I'm doing good. We're just doing some Godot and Blender stuff on stream from now on. I'm a game developer from today. I'm not a gamer, I'm a game developer. Hmm. Oh, it's 11:20. Fuck, man. Shit. I curse a lot. I don't know if YouTube is going to demonetize me because of all this cursing. Twitch is okay with it, but I don't know about YouTube. Oh god damn it! I mean, I'm not even monetized, so I don't think I have to worry that much. Hmm. Hiring guy. Sounds like schedule one for no reason. Hire a nice little anime girl. Not anime. It's not anime style, bro. Now a game dev. Bro, come on, Zinc. Spell right. Got too much math, man. Hey, that is. Hey, Rambo, that's the best part, man. That's the best part. The math is the best part. I just made the camera follow smoothly with my movements. See? Slight, smooth camera movements. Hydrate. Fuck. Shit. Deepu, hi. I don't have the water with me right now. I have to go get water. I'll go get water later. I'm just a giver. Meme inserted. Rises on Twitch and YouTube both. Hey, Chloe GPT, you nerd. Yes, of course, indeed. I'm a nerd. I'm a nerd. Making games so you guys can chill playing. Multitasking. Oh, yeah. Rice multitasking. All right, so we need to plot out our town. Let's just use the plotting node. I don't remember where that node is. Oh, there. This one. No, that's multi-mesh. Oh, this one, right? The CSG mesh. This for multi. Shape the user's mesh. That uses. No, that's not it. That's not it. Something is there. Inverter mesh. Geometry instance 3D. CG shape. Not here. Oh, wait. Where did everything go? Oh, yeah. Wait. My bad. Not 3D. Visual instance. Okay, there is one node which helps you plot down things. Hey, I want to make a game like Coconut Simulator. Hey, that's a good idea. Steam got you. Wait, do I get any coupon or offers to buy your assets if I live in Bangalore? If you want to download my assets or get offers, Patreon is where you will find it. I'm not sure if I linked my Patreon on YouTube. Check the description or check the about page on YouTube. It's on Twitch though. Wait, did you delete something, Rice? Excuse me. Is this not first person? No, it's not first person. I don't like first person games, so I won't be making first person games. Coconut Simulator sounds good, man. Rambo. It's my type of game. Now, once upon a time, I used to be called the Coconut on Twitch. Okay, now where is that thing? Where is that thing? I can't find it. That's the problem. I can't find it at all. Canvas layer, no. It is in 3D not only. It is in 3D. It is in 3D. Skeleton modifier, no. Camera 3D. Geometry instance 3D. Mesh instance 3D. Soft body 3D, no. Did they remove it from this or what? I don't see it anymore. Let it be. How old were you using? Wait. How old were you using Godot? Wait, huh? They get you, Davis. I used to call my manager Coconut Mafia because one day he plucked coconuts and came to office with them. Bro, I have shown coconuts on stream before. In my storeroom, there's like a bunch of coconut all the time back home. So I took a coconut. How old did you use Godot for? I mean, how long did I use Godot for? Okay, I would say 1 week. I'm so new to this. I'm so new to Godot. But Blender for almost 10 years. I didn't delete anything. It must have been the winds. It just might have been the winds. What's your stream schedule, bro? Let's say every day after 8:30, 9 o'clock. Let's say that every day after 8:30, 9 o'clock. On Sundays, probably stream or no stream, kind of. Blender was shit 5, yeah, back even. Blender is not shit. Come on, bro. Blender was shit when it was before 2.8. Before 2.8, it was shit. Oh, you've been using Godot for 2 years. Crazy, man. You have a Discord group? I have not created a Discord yet. I will soon create a Discord. Soon. Give me 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, I'll make a Discord. I'm still learning Godot, by the way, Davis. Imagine I'm only a 13-year-old. You are a 13-year-old. Nice. Nice. And you started using Godot at 11 years old. I'm 31 years old. Oh, no. I'm too late to learn Godot. They came a long way indeed, Harambo. It was, I'm trying to make a shmoop in Pico 8. Shmoop is like, wait, what is shmoop? Beat 'em up? No, that is, wait. Shoot 'em up. Beat 'em up is different, yeah. Shoot 'em up, yes. Do you have any advice for learning Blender? Advice for learning Blender. Start with where to start? I mean, advice for learning Blender, if you just start. That's the best advice. Now just start, play with the UI, play with the default cube. Don't worry if you mess up. Just understand the edit mode, the object mode. I have some tutorials which I made last month. I'm new to YouTube as well. I only have 5 videos for you on Blender. Check out my first video. If you want to start learning Blender, check out my first video, which is starting Blender. Wait, I'll just show you, I guess. Just check out. Oh. Hey, 610 subscribers. Nice. Check out this video, Start Blender, for absolute beginners, right there. My thumbnails, I don't have that thumbnail game yet, but if you check this video out, it's only 20 minutes. You will know the basics of controlling and moving around Blender. Once that is sorted, then you might be able to figure things out yourself, or you can just follow other tutorials. You can follow mine, or you can follow other Blender professionals who has been on YouTube for longer than me. I've been here only for a month. It is what it is. There is gonna be a prodigy. Yes. I have a very bad laptop from 2019. It lags just for opening Chrome. Oh, that's a big problem. That is a big problem. We need to get you a bigger PC. All right, let's. What the heck? Why? What? Oh, no, wrong place. Wrong place. You should not be that big. Reset. Okay. Okay. If a person is 2 meters, how big should a house be? 10 meters? 15 meters? 15 by 15 by 15. So imagine, oh, that's too big, no? That's too big. Imagine it's a small blacksmithing house. So 10 by 10 by 10 should be fine. Imagine that's a small forge, blacksmithing forge. 12 meter, I think. 12 meter. 7 meter for a room. 7 meter. All right, 7 meter by 7 meter by 7 meter. 7 meter should be good for a like a fantasy small blacksmithing space, you know. There you go. That has no collision yet, so let it just leave it that way. You ran Blender on Raspberry Pi. I will show you something. Oh, but it's my phone. I have Blender on my Android phone right now. But my phone is being used as a camera. Oh, wait, I can show you this. Wait, hold on. I have Smart Connect. Give me 1 second. So if I go to phone on PC, a mirror, no, virtual phone. No, not virtual phone. Wait, hold on. Okay, yeah, you just start a virtual phone. Okay, and okay, this is my phone. Now, if I can find it, Blender Android. This is basically mirroring my phone. Okay, this is an Android version running on my Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and I make it full screen as well. See, I literally can use Blender on my phone. It's a GitHub project. Yeah, it's a GitHub project, by the way. It's on GitHub. It's the GitHub version. I don't remember the name of the developer, but wait, my camera is stuck. My camera is stuck because of this. Okay, so basically that's the phone. Why is my facial expression so awkward? Let's start up the webcam again. There we go. Phone on PC, mirror phone. So if I start my phone, is it gonna wait? Oh, there we go. Is it gonna make my camera stuck? No. Okay, fine. Blender. It's not opening. Oh, it's opening. Because my camera is right there. Your camera froze. It's back. Bro got the worst possible timing for his camera. Yeah, my facial expression was kind of awkward and weird. But yeah, it's not opening. So let's just ignore that. Oh wait. It's not opening. Leave it. All right. So you can literally run on Android, Blender on Android, but it's 3.7. 3.6, I guess. It's the older version, not the latest version. And latest version is 4.5, and it's crazy good. Okay, so this is basically the size of a house. Will it fall off? I don't think it will fall off. Wait, it doesn't have collision, so will it fall off? No, it won't, but I can go through it, right? Yes. Okay, another thing I need to do is, if I go behind... Oh, that I need to implement later on. If I go behind a building, the building goes translucent, you know, kind of translucent, so you can still see my character behind the building. That's what I need to do. It goes for trees, buildings, whatever comes in front of me, that has to go translucent. That's the thing I need to figure out next. Let's see how it works. Mesh doesn't fall except you add a rigid body. Yeah, it's not rigid body, it's a mesh instance. These blocks, the only rigid body right now in this is the... Oh, basically nothing. Oh, I think, wait, no, nothing is a rigid body yet. Everything is a mesh instance with a collision. That's it. Bro got the wait. I used to be Max user. I can't unlearn the shortcut and all in Blender. I tend to still do those shortcuts. Oh, you know Blender? If I had Blender on my phone, I would be 3D modeling, waiting for the bus. You know Blender, Rambo? That's nice. That's great. Hmm. No, stream didn't freeze. My face froze. By the way, Arambo, check me out on YouTube. My channel is there. If you want to leave a sub, that would be fantastic. I'm trying to get monetized on YouTube. Did I get any call? Wait, okay, just. All right. So next thing we need to figure out is going behind objects. I need to be translucent. I mean, the objects behind me, next to me, needs to be translucent. So that for that I need to use this thing. Wait, something called raycast. So for that I need to use a raycast projecting behind me, which doesn't rotate with the character. So it's like just in that camera angle, and if anything touches that raycast, the opacity, how would I adjust opacity? Oh, I mean maybe in materials or something. I don't know. Maybe visibility range, fade mode, maybe something like that. I have to research. I have to read on some documentation. Visibility. Yeah, I have to not turn off the visibility completely. It should be like a translucent, maybe like 10%, 15% visible, but I can still see my character. Isn't raycast also used for enemy NPC to detect players? Yeah, raycast can be used in a lot of ways. So raycast is basically a thing which shoots out of you, and if it touches something, it's an invisible thing. If it touches something, you can code it to do whatever you want. Not visibility range, on the visibility tab. Oh, here. Yeah, okay. Visible. Yeah, we might be able to do something on that. Under transform. Yeah, got it. We might be able to do something. Add a. I can access this visible onto the raycast in the global. I need to make a global code for that. For the raycast, it has to be a global code, and if it is not a global code, it's not going to work in multiple things. Or in albedo, I can also increase the alpha of the albedo. That is also a good option. After hearing shooting a ray, I don't know, CRT came in my mind. CRT monitors? Make the opacity phase about 50%. Let me check the albedo real quick. If I press this, material, right? A material, add new material, press this, albedo. Albedo doesn't have it. Oh, wait, transparency is here. Why is the alpha not working? Play it? Okay. No. The alpha is not working. Maybe there's an alpha. Wait, hold on. Maybe there is a alpha. Emission, roughness, metallic, normal, shading. Transparency, there we go. Transparency, alpha. Oh, wait. Shadow is gone. If I put just alpha, the transparency is gone. I mean, the shadows disappear. Cathode ray tube monitors. Oh, CRT monitors, yes. Alpha scissor, alpha hash, alpha depth prepass. So if I put the color, oh yeah, it works now. Okay, I can just basically change the albedo texture. Oh, wait a minute. That will be a lot of textures. That will be a lot of textures. Because imagine like this, I have like a tree, a stump, a building, an enemy, or whatever, like so many things in a single map. And I'll have to code and adjust every single albedo textures. Every time it won't be a color, it will be a texture. It'll have metallic, it'll have roughness, it'll have emission, it'll have a normal map. Add the same script to all of them. That'll take a lot of time. Because see, we have to make things short, right? See, now we know that albedo works. We put depth pre-pass or something else. Mix, add, subtract, multiply. Nice. Mix. Add a unique function. We'll have to make a unique function. That is true. But what I'm thinking is, if there is an option, like let's just close this. In the visible option, visibility parent. What is visibility parent? I don't understand that. I'll have to read up on that. But anyway, to make it halfway transparent. Alright, let it be. I'm going to sleep and hoping that your camera system works without your brain melting today, tomorrow, as it's getting to midnight. Yeah, I'll have to end stream soon as well. I'm probably going to end stream soon because I think I've basically set the scene. We just have to figure out a few things, which we will figure out while we stream and do things. So let's see how it goes. So I'm going to save the scene. I've still not named the game. I'm thinking on few names, asking ChatGPT to give me some good names. We have a Discord. I do not have a Discord yet, Davis. Next stream, before maybe within 2-3 days, I'll make a Discord. I'm still pending. I still have it in my to-do list for all the things I need for my YouTube. So I will soon make one. Okay, next stream or maybe after that. I'm Dev. Oh, Dev is cool, not Davis. Hey, nice. All right, my bad. So you might need to capitalize that I as well. Otherwise people will just call you Davis. All right, no problem, no worries. Dev. All right, Dev. So yeah, I think I'm going to end stream now. And thank you all for coming in. Thank you for all the subscribers. I mean, that's crazy, just from 590, it reached 620 subscribers on one single stream. That's actually insane. Okay, that's actually insane. Thank you so much, everyone. And we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be Sunday stream. So it's going to be a longer stream. What your timeline so I can come tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a long stream. I might stream maybe from... Where are you from, by the way, Dev? In time? Let's say... Wait, hold on. So, where are you from, by the way? Accordingly, I can give you your time. So, Qatar. Oh, you're from Qatar. Nice. I'm a Bahraini. We are kind of neighbors. I was born and brought up in Bahrain. Not an Arab though. I'm an Indian. All right. Qatar means 2.5 hours behind. 1.5. 1.5, right? 2.5. 2.5 or 1.5. So let's say your time. I would start streaming around 4 o'clock and till midnight. No, not till midnight. UTC plus wait, you're 0? That wait, no, wait. You forgot some numbers. UTC plus 3, right? UTC plus 3 or 0? Google it. Oh. Qatar time zone. UTC plus 3. Oh, okay. GMT plus 3. So ours is 5:30. So that means 2.5 hours. Of course. Same as Bahrain. So around your time, I would say 4 o'clock. No, wait, 3 o'clock? Let's say 3 o'clock. Tomorrow is Sunday, 3 o'clock. I'll start. Around your time, 3 o'clock. My time, 5:30. Yes. That'll be a little bit longer stream. Tomorrow we'll do something with Blender or Godot, whatever. Let's see how it goes. All right. Thank you for coming. And here, Shan signing off. See you all tomorrow. Great peace be upon you. Walaikum assalam. And catch you tomorrow. Bye-bye.